yeah, it's been like this for like 60, 70 miles now. No signs of letting up. Just thought I'd catch a little bit of this for the days when we don't get weather like this anymore and it's all dried the hell up. And also, so if I die, you know why. Yeah. Later. Can't even see the mountains. Don't worry, I'm in all-wheel drive. I'm heading down the pass. Getting up and over the top was the worst part because it was icy sludge. It was a lot more slippier. This actually has some traction on it. But it's really pretty, so wanted to get some of that in there. All right, I'll put this thing down so I don't die.